Today we're going to focus on how to send articles that you've curated inside of UpContent directly into your Lately dashboard for automatic post generation, scheduling, and posting of those articles in order to engage, inform, educate, and stimulate the audience you wish to reach. Now, previously we had done that one-time activity of linking Lately and UpContent. You can always confirm that by checking your additional settings inside of your UpContent team. That is a one-time activity that now is going to be available to all team members who have access to your UpContent account. With that out of the way, it's very easy to send articles from UpContent into Lately. And the process of doing so is truly a couple of clicks. When you find an article that is interesting to you and will likely be interesting to your audience, the process of sending articles from a topic into your Lately enabled collection is as simple as clicking on the plus sign for any articles that are of interest. You will see a green button appear after that first plus sign click that says sending those number of articles to a collection. We'll want to click on that, and you will find the collection that you previously associated with Lately appear for you. If it's an article you want to appear in multiple locations, you can easily check the box of where you want that to go. For these articles, I just want them to head to Lately for my social media posting. So I will click on that checkbox and then hit Send to One Collection. This is all that needs to be done in order to get those articles over to where they need to be. They will then appear for me inside of the Lately enabled collection, which I can see by easily clicking on that button at the top and ensuring that I'm looking at the right collection. Those articles now appear inside of here. And once I head to Lately, I'm going to refresh this since I was already here, I will see those articles added to the list of sources for me to post from. Because I had previously set up the campaign that I want these to be associated with, each one of these articles is already present inside of Lately with the campaign associated, and it's following the directions that I had previously given inside of my defaults for that campaign. From here, the Lately magic takes over. I can review my temporary drafts that have been generated for each of the articles by just clicking on an article to look at it. I can then edit, schedule, and post. Now, as I mentioned, there are two ways to add articles into that UpContent collection. One, as you saw, was from the topics. The other is for articles that you find outside of UpContent. And to do that, I can easily click on this Add Article button and paste in the URL. The same actions will then take. It will appear inside of your Lately enabled collection and immediately appear inside of the sources within your Lately dashboard. Please remember that these activities are available via your mobile phone as well for curation on the go, and the action of being able to add articles into that collection can be provided to any of your team members whom you wish to help you in your curation efforts.